What's up guys, my name is Iqbal. Today I'm going to unbox Alcatel Idol 4S with Windows 10. Yes, you heard it right. It is going to be Windows 10 device and it is one of the last Windows 10 device that I will be ever unboxing. I mean Windows Mobile, let's be honest. This device comes with a virtual reality. I have no idea why they were pushing for virtual reality on Windows 10 phone or Windows 10 phone or Windows Phone 10, but it is what it is. And this device does have a few really good things. For example, a 25 megapixel camera. It is a glass build. It's a glass metal build. It's really good. It has dual speakers, which not really huge fans of this device. And also it has really good fingerprint scanner. The design, Alcatel design or the logo looks pretty slick though. I'll give hats off to them. And let's open. Full disclosure, I have already opened it back in 2016 or 17 and I have never used it. It's just a mental piece for me that I'm going to use it for in later years, just to remind myself how Windows 10 used to be, or Windows Phone 10 mobile was one of the best when it came to digital well-being or screen time, because it had less apps, or even though it had apps, it had the really big tiles which would show how many notifications are there, and it also showed the notifications. If it is important, you can dive into it. If not, you can just leave it. I love that. I will open it here. This is our device. As you can see, nothing to peel off because I already have peeled it. And there's something to peel off in the back, and I will do that today. Like I said, it is I have already opened it a long time ago, and it will show that there's a two-tone difference, and I will be cleaning up and doing a review. Before you see the review, hit the like button. I like you guys. Thank you so much. Putting the phone aside, let's see what's inside. Some important jargon. Important note that I cannot peel it off, but it's just basically saying in different language, the language that I don't speak. Anyways, and the last thing here is going to be the virtual reality. Now, I had mixed feelings, but I never used it before. But I had mixed feelings on virtual reality. I had Daydream VR with my Pixel 2 XL, and it was sort of, and it was not really one of the best experiences that I had for virtual reality. And I will open it, pop open it. Huh, okay. And there's going to be a band for the virtual reality. Some information about the VR goggles. Oh, it is called goggles. Oh. Some information about VR goggles. And eject pin for your phone. Pretty cool. I'll just put it back because I'm not going to use it. I'm going to only power the device on today. And this will be saved for the entire video, which will be Windows Phone 10 in 2020. Well, the device is already gone, so might as well. So turning it on, this device does look very cool. It is all metal built, metal in the front and glass in the back, with a 25 megapixel camera and a flash and fingerprint scanner, which is, to be honest, I'm not really a huge fan of the fingerprint scanner on this device because it's one of the worst. And power on and off this side, and also SIM card location or memory card location, which is really cool. Yeah, it is really one of those good device. Yeah, so this is how Windows 10 phone looks like. Even in today, it is a polarizing design for some people, but I loved it. What do you think? Comment down below and let us know. Well, this is it, and this is our wrap up for our unboxing video. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next one.